Of course, प्यार का दर्द has been very close to me, but all my shows are very close to me. सबके लिए जब भी कोई नया शो शुरू होता है, I am always like a newcomer, as if it is my first show. And every show, every character, every work is very dear to me. Every costume, every piece of jewelry is very dear to me. I'll be hot. I'll look young. And yes, इस फील्ड से रिलेटेड डेफिनेटली कुछ करूँगी. And I will keep acting. Once an actor, you're always an actor. I don't regret anything. So, and अगर भगवान ने प्लान करके एक ज़िंदगी जीने को दिया है, take life as a game. You have to play it well. किसी भी तरह की सिचुएशन आपके सामने आए, you have to realize that it's your karma, past life karma, this life karma, and you just have to do good things. No, I'm not. I am, yes, I went through a very unfortunate divorce, but it's not difficult. It's not, I'm not saying that khush hu main, but God has been kind. It has been peaceful. Yes, I have spoken about it. I have connected with my fans through Twitter and Insta, who have sent me their wishes and, you know, blessings, and yes, we are doing fine. And my daughter Oma, my fans know her as well, is also doing fine as well. So thank you for your wishes and blessings. All I'd say is everything is fine, everything is happy, everything is positive, and we are just moving forward. So bless us, and yeah, it's a beautiful phase of life. No, I believe in the institution of marriage, and yeah, love happens anytime. So I don't know about the future, but I'm a very positive woman, and I always believe that you need to have a companion to share your good days and bad days, and good moments and bad moments. And yeah, my divorce hasn't shaken up my belief on marriage. Marriage is beautiful, and you must give it a shot. Well, it's been a year that we've not been paid. It's very unfortunate because a huge amount of money has been stuck and blocked. And the matter has gone to the Artists Association, and we've been told that the payments should be starting soon. All I would request the producers is to just clear it off, and, you know, let's all live amicably and happily in the same industry. I don't know. I love fiction. I'm more of doing a 9 to 9 job and going back home. But I love dancing, so maybe sometime. My only issue is that they don't have kapda on the shoulders. No. Jokes apart, that's my issue with Maitho. I'm not comfortable in those costumes. I like to be today. No. फिर एक बार आप भगवान बन गए बहुत difficult हो जाती है. So no, Maitho. Ma'am, I believe we have viewers from all class and stature, from all various backgrounds. So कुछ लोगों के लिए कुछ शोज़ होते हैं, कुछ लोगों के लिए कुछ शोज़ होते हैं. तो मैं ऐसे बिल्कुल नहीं समझती कि कोई शो हिट हो गया, कोई शो फ्लॉप हो गया. ऐसे नहीं होता है. Something modern, anything that is challenging, anything that I have not done before, anything that comes my way, and I believe that बहुत लोग एक रोल के लिए काफ़ी लोग ऑडिशन करते हैं, लेकिन फिर वो रोल आपके पास ही आता है, मतलब it is meant for you. So I have always got something. जैसे जैसे मैं बड़ी हुई हूँ लाइफ में, जैसे आई वॉज अ गर्ल व्हेन आई जॉइन, तो मुझे गर्ल के रोल्स थे. फिर मैं जब शादी हो रही थी तो शादी वाले रोल्स थे. आज ये हैं, तो जैसे when the way I graduate in life, my roles will also graduate. So I'm not worried on that front. Of course, every actor dreams of being a technician someday, and I will be. It's just that not now. अभी मुझे और acting करनी है. So maybe sometime else, but yes, it will happen for sure. Anything to I would want to be a producer and make content which is good, where people would want to see. And, you know, I like the whole process of talking to people and understanding what they want, and then making a software accordingly. So it's quite a process, and a very fulfilling process. No, I've done my Marathi films. I've won my state awards, screen awards, and I'm happy. I keep doing my ads. I keep doing my TV. If Bollywood has to happen, it will happen in time. But I'm quite happy in my space right now. Thank you for loving me, appreciating me for all these years. Thank you for sticking by me, even in those times when I'm not working on TV. The best part is that my following on Twitter never goes down. It only increases. So thank you so much for believing in me, and just pray for me and bless me as always. Thank you.